Hello everyone, I'm off Thai in the United States. We just purchased a new refrigerator, Frigidaire. The first one was 18Q. We returned it because it didn't work well at all. No cold, no cool, no freezer. And then we ordered the second one, but nobody showed up, never delivery. And then we called them and cancel as their staff suggested. Then we went to Lowe's. First time we ordered online from Lowe's, and then second time we ordered online from Home Depot, and then the last time we ordered from Lowe's. If you would like to hear my story about refrigerator, ordering, purchasing, please check on the video that I talk in detail. But in this video, I would like to tell you my experience using refrigerator, bottom freezer, and top freezer, and also the previous refrigerator that we had, the Samsung as you see right now, the bottom freezer. I like the bottom freezer as every meat that I separate in portion that enough for one time cooking in Ziploc bag, and then I throw everything in the drawer. When I wanted, I just grab only amount I want, and at the area contain everything else beside meat. I don't need to bend my body over as two doors opened work well for me. The new one, I need to bend my body, and sometimes I just sit down and grab whatever I would like to get in the refrigerator. I don't like that yet, as we already purchased the new one. For a while, I will use to that. For the next refrigerator, I think is about 10 or more than 10 years in the future, I would like to purchase the bottom freezer, same as this one. This one also had in the part of drinking water, which we didn't use it much. We like to grab water bottle in the refrigerator, and also only my husband drink cold water. Myself, I just drink regular water. This is the top freezer. It is convenient when I open and take everything in the freezer. As I mentioned earlier, it's inconvenient for me when I grab in the bottom part because I need to bend my body or just sit down. And in here, I contained meat in the container before I put them in the freezer, because I thought when frozen, the plastic, the Ziploc bag may stick on the freezer, and that's gonna be another problem to get it out. And I just pull all the container and put in the sink for a while. When thaw, I just grab the portion that I would like to cook, and I put back the container to the freezer again. This is my experience using the refrigerator two types, and also the very first one since I moved here with my husband. It was smaller than both that we have at the moment. The reason was when he opened the freezer, chickens fall off. Then he said, okay, time to change to the bigger refrigerator, and then he just purchased Samsung. That time I had no idea how to store the meat. I didn't take in portion in part like you see in the picture right now. I just put everything I got from supermarket in the pack and then put in the freezer. That there is a reason. The chicken flying out of the freezer. As you see now, this one, the shell in different level uneven, right? I prefer the shell like this one. This one what we have today currently. Every shell in the same level. I like this one better. And the room inside the refrigerator is very big to me, even the size is smaller than Samsung. He would like to get a 25.5 Q refrigerator, but they didn't deliver. And then when we went to the store at Lowe's, the one he liked had to wait for a month. We don't want to wait any long because we didn't have refrigerator about a month. We just take the one that they contain in the store at that moment. So the one that he likes too, not just anyone. He likes this one, Frigidaire 20Q. The delivery within 2 days after purchasing. Now I'm happy. He is happy. Just early he will install the ice maker later by himself. That's all for the experience using refrigerator. In Thailand, the refrigerator I experience and also I use myself smaller than what I see in the United States here. But there are bigger size, same size like in the United States, selling in Thailand as well. Only the cost are expensive if compared with the smaller size refrigerator in Thailand. That's normally most people can afford smaller one. The big one like this just only big family, big houses, and people who make a lot of money, they can own them. And also the surface like this is easier cleaning than the one with the handle. I like what I have now. Easier cleaning as I has experience cleaning Airbnb. The Airbnb I clean 11 units contain different refrigerator. They all easier cleaning because nothing as the one that we have in previous with the water drinking at the front. I am very happy with my new refrigerator. No more carrying the bucket and drain water, and no more buying ice. Thank you for watching. Bye.